So this is Euro Pound analysis for Wednesday, 2nd of May. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So, previously we saw prices head up towards this 88.20, from which we did see sell side momentum bring us down towards 87.70. We brought back above the 87.83, held that level, retested the 88.20, from which we did see sell side momentum almost bring us back down towards 87.83. And now we've had another test of the 88.20, and we do appear to be rejecting it at the moment. So if we do see a sell side momentum continuation, we're looking for a move down towards that 87.83, successful break from which we're looking for price head down towards that 87.60, where we do have where our most recent swing low is in the market. But ultimately, from this breakdown from 87.83, we're looking for price head down towards that 87.50 as our next level marked out here in blue. If there is sufficient volatility to the downside, we could see prices head down towards that 87.20. I don't anticipate it, or possibly even that 87 level, pretty close to our most recent swing low, where we do have this horizontal level. If, however, we do see a turnaround in prices from either this 88 level or this 87.83, with the price head towards at 88.51, successful break from which we're looking for price head towards at 88.74. And if we do see sufficient volatility to the upside to take us beyond the 88.74, the very next level that we are looking at here to the upside will be a move up towards that 89.14 here on the Euro Pound. Now, we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart before we wrap up here. So if you have a brief look at the daily chart on the Euro Pound to get scaled on here correct, we can see here what we have is we have a bit of an inverted head and shoulders. So we've got a shoulder, we've got a head, we've got a shoulder. Inverted head and shoulders, a bullish price pattern. So if it does play out bullish, as would be expected, we are expecting a further move to the upside here on the euro against the pound. And again, we have a low, a higher low consolidation. We're near the highs of the consolidations, a possible breakout beyond the 88.20 and a move towards the levels all previously identified. Also of note is the fact that we do have the 200 period moving average sitting in around at 88.74, thus the increased likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market at that level. And with that said, that wraps up the Euro Pound analysis. Thanks for watching.